My name is Arman. For a long time, fear controlled many parts of my life. Not fear of danger, but fear of failure, fear of embarrassment, fear of making mistakes. Whenever I wanted to try something new, fear appeared first. If I wanted to speak English in front of others, my mind said, "What if you forget words?" If I wanted to share an idea, my thought said, "What if people laugh?" Because of this, I stayed quiet many times. I avoided opportunities, and slowly I started doubting myself. One day, our school organized an English speaking event. Students could volunteer to speak on stage. When my teacher encouraged me to join, I immediately said no. But deep inside, I wanted to try. That evening, I sat alone in my room thinking about it. Part of me wanted growth. Another part wanted safety. My fear kept repeating, "You are not ready. You will embarrass yourself." The next morning, I visited my cousin. He noticed I looked distracted. After listening to my worries, he asked me one simple question. "Has fear ever helped you grow?" I stayed silent. Then he continued, "Fear only tries to protect comfort. But confidence grows when you move despite fear." Those words stayed in my mind all day. I realized something important. I had been trusting my fear more than myself. Every time fear spoke, I listened immediately. But fear was not always telling the truth. The next day, I made a difficult decision. I signed up for the event. As the speaking day came closer, I still felt nervous. My hands felt cold. My heart beat faster. But this time I did not run away. When I stood on the stage, fear was still there. But I started speaking anyway. At first, my voice shook slightly. Then slowly I became calmer. I finished my speech successfully. After leaving the stage, I felt something powerful. Not because I spoke perfectly, but because I did not let fear stop me. That moment changed my mindset completely. Now, whenever fear appears, I do not automatically obey it. I listen to myself too, because I understand something clearly. Fear will always exist. But growth happens when you trust yourself enough to move forward anyway. Final thought. Do not wait for fear to disappear. Take action despite fear. That is how confidence is built. Ending line. Keep learning English. Keep believing in yourself. And always remember, trust yourself more than your fear.